Hey everyone, welcome back to this Bubble.io tutorial. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a brand new feature, Create a Page with AI. Keep in mind, this feature is currently in beta, so you might encounter some bugs, and it's not quite the finished product yet, but it's an exciting tool to help speed up your development process by automating page creation. Step 1. Using Add New Page with AI. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to go to the Page drop-down menu and select Add New Page with AI. This is a powerful feature where you can create a variety of pages, such as landing pages, dashboards, social feeds, marketplaces, and so much more. Step 2. Selecting and describing the page. Now, for this video, I'm going to select Landing Page from the list of options. Here, you can type in your description. Make sure to be as detailed as possible to point the AI in the right direction for your needs. The more information you provide, the better the result. For example, let's type in, create a landing page for a marketplace that sells used computer equipment like laptops, desktops, and accessories in excellent condition. Include a header, hero, features, testimonial, team, pricing, and FAQ section. Go ahead and hit create and let the AI do its thing. While the page is loading, keep in mind it might take a little time for the AI to think and generate your desired page. Step 3. Viewing the generated page and debug mode. Alright, now that the page is ready, let's preview it by clicking Preview in the top right hand of the screen. By default, the page opens in debug mode. This is a great feature for troubleshooting issues during the build. You can toggle between different debug modes, normal, slow, or step-by-step. These modes allow you to see what's happening behind the scenes, which is super useful for identifying problems. For this video though, I'm going to turn off debug mode by changing the true in the URL to false, so we can view the page as if it were live. Step 4. Scrolling through the generated page. Now, let's scroll through and see what the AI has generated for us. This is a great starting point with a basic layout and a few workflows already in place. Bubble's AI Builder builds fully responsive pages, which can eliminate the headache of building with responsiveness in mind. Using various extensions on the marketplace, we can preview our app in different screen sizes, such as iPhones and Android mobiles. This will ensure your app looks great on every device. Starting at the header, this section contains your logo and navigation buttons, giving users easy access to key areas like logging in or learning more about your product. A clean, well-organized header helps establish trust and offers quick navigation options. Next, we move into the hero section. This is often the first thing visitors see, so it includes your unique value proposition, the key message that explains what your marketplace offers and why it's valuable. This is supported by a strong call to action button, urging visitors to take that next step, whether it's signing up or exploring your products. As we scroll down, we encounter the features section. Here, you highlight the main selling points of your product. In our marketplace example, this could include features like a user-friendly interface, competitive pricing, and high-quality equipment. Next is the social proof area, which builds trust with potential buyers. This could include testimonials, customer reviews, or even logos of well-known clients who've used your marketplace. In our AI Builder description, we ask the AI to create a team, pricing, and FAQ section, but in this example, the AI Builder has missed these out. Bugs like this can be expected in the beta version. That is why it is vital to always check the output, spot any errors, and correct them before publishing to live. Let's dive into the missing sections and explain how they can be useful to add to your company's landing page. The team section, where you introduce your company's key players. This helps humanize your brand, giving customers confidence that they're buying from real people with expertise. The pricing section is crucial. It provides transparent information on the costs involved. Make sure this section is clear and concise so visitors can easily understand your value offering and pricing tiers. The FAQ section, where common customer questions are answered, helping to resolve any last-minute hesitations. Finally, footer ties everything together with contact information and support options, ensuring visitors know how to reach out for help. All of these elements work together to make your landing page not only functional, but also compelling and engaging for visitors. But remember, the AI-generated page is meant to give you a strong starting point, not the final product. Step 5. Customization and workflow creation. From here, you can fully customize the page, adjust the styling, edit the text, replace images, and most importantly, build out the remaining workflows. For example, if you need to link the sign-up button to a previously created sign-up page, let's go ahead and do that now. Simply click the button, navigate to the Appearance tab, and create a navigation workflow. And that's it. AI has provided a solid foundation to build your app faster, but it's up to you to polish it and make it perfect for your users. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy building.